In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a birthday video with pictures and music in Instagram. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that this process works on any device. Okay, I'm using Android, but it's the same process on iPhone too. The first thing you need to do is log on Instagram and log into your account. After doing that, you need to swipe until you find this page, okay? And here you need to import from your gallery the video or the photo that you want to put on the background. In my case, I will use a black screen just for example, but you need to put the video or the photo that you want to put on the background. Then you need to click on the second option right here, okay? And first we need to add the pictures. So you need to find this option right here, okay? In my case it is here, but in your case may be different. So swipe down until you find this option. Click on top, and here you will find the pictures that you want to put on the story, okay? I'm going to use these three here, okay? So I will click on the first. I can select and drag to where I like, okay? So you repeat the process. After doing that, you just put the pictures. Now we want to add the music. So click on the second option and click music, and you need to search for the music that you want to put on the background, okay? In my case, I will use this one just for example, but you search for the music that you want. I will turn off the sound to not have copyright issues, and here you swipe until you find music only, okay? If you want to put the music, you can, but in my case, I'll use music only, okay? So then you can also click on the second option again and search for birthday. So birthday, you will see a lot of stickers of birthday, and you can add to your story as much as you can. So if I want to add this one, I can. If I want to add more, I can. And you edit your story as much as you want, okay? I hope I help you how to make a birthday video with pictures and music in Instagram. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.